Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss vocab for IELTS speaking test. Class 1 has already been discussed. You can check that on my YouTube channel. And now we will start with a new vocab words. So let's get started. Our first word is dilemma. What is the meaning of dilemma? Meaning of dilemma is confusion. In our normal English conversation, we usually use this advanced English word that is dilemma instead of confusion. For example, I am bit in a dilemma regarding complaint. That a person is confused about something, some thing or some topic, then he or she uses particular word that is dilemma. Next word is taciturn. What is the meaning of taciturn? Meaning of taciturn is not talkative. A person who is not talkative much. For example, he is taciturn in class. Third word is innate. What is the meaning of innate? A quality that is present in a person. A quality that is present in a person from his or her childhood or birth. For example, she never lost her innate sense of fun. A quality that is innate in a person, that is in a person from his childhood, from his early years. Fourth word is fervid. What is the meaning of fervid? Meaning of this word is passionate. For example, he is fervid about achieving his goals. So if you want to use a particular word for a passionate person, you can use he is a fervid person. Fervid. Fifth word is fiction. What is the meaning of fiction? A thing that is untrue. Fiction is usually used for the novels or movie. For example, she reads fiction novel. A thing which is not true in real world, thing which is not exist in a real world, we call that thing a fiction thing. So fifth word is fiction. Sixth word is impeccable. What is the meaning of impeccable? Meaning of this word is without mistakes or faults, a thing that is totally perfect. For example, his English is impeccable. Seventh word is pristine. What is the meaning of pristine? That is clean and fresh. For example, the car seemed to be in a pristine condition. Eighth word is cupidity. What is the meaning of cupidity? Meaning of this word is greed for money or possessions. His eyes were shining with cupidity. Cupidity is a synonym of greed, and when we want to use synonym of cupidity, greed, then we will use the word cupidity. For example, his eyes were shining with cupidity. Next word is bicker. What is the meaning of bicker? We usually use this word in a English conversation, that is bicker. Meaning of this word is to argue about things that are not important. For example, will you stop bickering? If you are in a fight and you want to stop some person and you want to argue with that person, or you want to shut that person off, then you can use this word, that will you stop bickering? Next word is ravishing. What is the meaning of ravishing? Ravishing meaning is stunningly beautiful. A girl that is stunningly beautiful. For example, Zoe looked ravishing at the party. 11th word is vivacious. What is the meaning of vivacious? Meaning of this word is full of energy. A person who is full of energy. For example, Tina is bright and vivacious. Next word is futile. What is the meaning of futile? Futile means pointless, a thing which is pointless. For example, it is completely futile trying to talk to her because she doesn't listen. So when we want to use a synonym for pointless, we will use a futile. 13 word is candid. Candid is mostly used in our daily talks, and this is a very important word, that is candid. For example, and what is the meaning of this word? That is truthfulness or straightforwardness. For example, her candid responses during the interview got her the job. Means her honesty, her truthfulness, that got her the job. So candid means truthful and straightforward. 14 word is decisive. What is the meaning of decisive? Meaning of this word is able to make choices quickly and confidently. For example, in emergency situation, one must be able to take decisive action. 15 word is well off. What is the meaning of well off? Well off meaning wealthy. For example, her family is quite well off. If we want to use a particular word to describe a rich background of a person, we use a word well off, that her family is quite well off. Next word is call off. What is the meaning of call off? Call off means to cancel. We had to call off the meeting. When we want to cancel, we use a good word, a good vocab word, that is call off instead of cancel. 17 word is nod off. What is the meaning of nod off? Nod off means fall asleep. For example, she often nod off in the class. 18 word is rip off. What is the meaning of rip off? Rip off means charge too much. For example, people are visiting those shops that rip them off. Means people are visiting those malls or those shops that rip them off. Means that charge them too much. Next word is kith and kin. So what is the meaning of kith and kin? Kith and kin means blood relatives. For example, Rita belongs to our kith and kin means Rita belongs to our blood relatives. Next, 20th word is fair and square. This is a very important word and very fancy word that is used in interviews or TV shows, that is fair and square, meaning honest. For example, he is one of the most fair and square journalists of India. 21 word is hang in there. What is the meaning of hang in there? Meaning of this word is don't give up. For example, I will hang in there because I work hard for this project. Hang in there means to don't give up. If somebody says you that hang in there means don't give up. Next word is apple of my eye. What is the meaning of apple of my eye? Apple of my eye means someone who is loved more than others. Means a person who is very close to you and you love them more than others. For example, any person here, Helene is apple of my eye. You can talk about your friend or a particular person that he or she is apple of my eye. Next, 23rd word is heart in mouth. What is the meaning of heart in mouth? Heart in mouth meaning feeling nervous or scared. Means a particular situation where you feel very nervous or very scared due to some incident or due to some scene. For example, my heart was in my mouth while watching horror movie. Next word is blessing in disguise. What is the meaning of blessing in disguise? Meaning of this particular idiom, you can say, that is a good thing that seemed bad at first. Means a good thing that you felt that is bad in the first moment, but in the end that was a good thing. For example, she didn't get the job, but it was actually a blessing in the disguise because after that she got a job in America. Next word is 25th word, that is be at loose end. So what is the meaning of this idiom, that is be at loose end? Meaning of this idiom is to have nothing to do. Means when you are free at a particular time, you use this particular idiom, that is be at loose end. For example, come and visit us tomorrow if you are at a loose over the end. Means a person is saying to other person that if you are free, if you have nothing to do at the weekend, you can come and visit us tomorrow. So with this we completed our 25 vocab words that you can use in your IELTS speaking test, or you can also use these words in your daily conversation so that you can seem like a pro English speaker. And I have already discussed 10 words in my last previous video of English vocab, IELTS English vocab. You can check that out also. So if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.